Hi and welcome. I'm going to be unboxing 10 skirts that I got from Martha, and this is the first one. It's an angle length goddess from Darn Good Yarn, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. And it is, I'm just going to back up a little bit, all those branches. It's so pretty, and look at this long layer. We've got gray and this peachy orange, I guess it's orange, with that, and that is really pretty. Can't wait to wear that. And this is also another really lovely autumn colored ombre with the blue and tan. And our long layer has this lovely border and really neat. Looks like there's some cantha stitching actually on it. Flip it up this way so you can see. Really gorgeous skirt. Very nice. And I'm not sure which brand that this is. I don't see any tags on there. Alright, love that. Here's another one with cantha stitching on it. And lovely yellows, green, and on the back side it's white with black and yellow. Gorgeous. We have a Darn Good Yarn. These are like perfect prints for me, exactly what I love. Martha and I have a lot of similarities for our likes, so I knew anything that I got from her I would absolutely adore. And here's another one with the side. So pretty. And this is a dark green, and with the fall colors of the orange. This is a Darn Good Yarn one. A little pillow there. And our long layer is a cream color. A little bit of wear on that, but not bad. With the coin amlas. And whoops, these gorgeous large flowers on that. This is another Darn Good Yarn and another fall colored. Oh, this is so pretty. Reminds me of mountains a little bit on that. And our long layer is this nice big floral, dark blue. Great. Another Darn Good Yarn. This one looks like it was never open. And ooh, it's got some bling on this top layer. Let's see. Here we go. You can kind of see some of that bling there. Nice blues and browns, and our reverse is kind of like that blue one we just saw with the large florals. And we have one more. This one is in greens and merlot. So let's undo this. This is so exciting. Oh, that's gorgeous with the branches and the green, the brown, the black. So cool. And our long layer is this purple and red repeating print. So neat. So thank you, Martha, so much. These are so lovely, and I can't wait to start wearing them. Have a wonderful holiday. Bye.